and gentlemen, welcome to the very first episode ever of Deep in the Kitchen with me, Mihini McJohnson, baby. Oh yeah! I'm so excited to be here right now. Guys, this season we have some unbelievably tasty dishes and just some magical drinks that are gonna just blow your brains in half, I promise, okay? Alright, let me just tell you a little bit about myself, okay? I'm a professional 18 Michelin star award-winning master ninja chef, okay? I've been cooking probably going on 350 years or so, I think. I don't know, I lost count a while back. Anyways, I'm also a ninja karate champion. I do a little ballet dancing on the side, okay? Most importantly, I'm a 57-time Academy Award-winning film and video game music composer, okay? So make sure you hire me. Anyway, this channel is for you guys to just, come and relax and learn a little bit and, just have some laughs and hang out with me, okay? And I hope you're as excited as I am. And, alright, let's get into it. And I'll see you guys in a minute, baby. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Oh, yeah, this is Deep in the Kitchen with me, Mihini McJohnson. And I'm going to be showing you how to make some unbelievable dishes, from simple drinks to complex desserts that you can cook right along with me. And we're going to have so much fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are a brand new baby channel just starting out, so make sure you like and subscribe so we can make lots more fun videos and we can have all of our dreams come true.
Okay, let's go, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on today's episode of Deep in the Kitchen, tacos!
Today we have a beautiful pineapple, cilantro, lime, and jalapeno mahi mahi tacos. This taco is gonna make you fall in love with it. I promise you, all of your guests are gonna be so happy that you made it for them. Now first, we're gonna start with the beautiful mahi mahi and marinade. Here's your list of ingredients that you can get at any grocery store. And I'm just gonna leave this right here. And if you guys need to pause at any time in the video, if you take your time and do whatever you need, we'll be right here waiting for you when you get back. Alright, everybody knows, of course, the first thing you do is you wash your hands, get off that terrible disease you may have picked up at the grocery store, okay? Nobody wants to eat diseased food. Okay, here's our beautiful strips of mahi we're going to be using. And then now, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to cut it into strips, because this is going to go into a plastic bag now, and that's where we're going to put all of our delicious marinade ingredients. There we go. Okay, now we got a delicious olive oil, 3 tablespoons. So we're just gonna take it and we're going to
dump it in. There we go, baby.
Now we're gonna take this lime and
We're gonna squeeze it. We're gonna squeeze it and get all the juices out and put it into a cup.
then we're gonna
Dump it in, baby. Oh, yeah.
Now we're gonna go to our chili powder. We want 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay, that should be good. Now we're gonna add some of this paprika. You can do hot, optional. I'm gonna do hot because I'm just a spicy young man, okay? That's how I like it. Alright, now we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. You don't want to use too much because it's actually quite strong, okay? Some garlic powder. 1, come on. 2. Okay, now we're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use whatever kind you want. I prefer Himalayan, so I'm just going to do that. And then now we're just going to grind that delicious black pepper straight in there. You can use as much or as little as you want. I like it a lot because, again, I'm a spicy man. I like it nice and spicy, baby. Come on, give it to me spicy, spicy, spice. And then we're gonna just move it around like so. Dip, 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 yeah. Alright, now we're gonna let that sit while we prepare for our delicious, delicious slaw, baby. Come on, let's do it, alright? Ready? Here we go. I'm gonna leave the ingredients in one more time, okay? So you have plenty of time to write them down, and if you need to again, make sure you pause the video. We'll be right here when you get back. Alright, first thing we want to do is take our stove and we're gonna move it to about medium high, maybe closer to high, okay? And this is just gonna heat our water for our delicious logs of corn, baby. You can use as many as you want. I like 2. And you can use this beautiful fun corn, okay? You don't always have to use the yellow corn, but I like this. It looks pretty to me, okay? Give it a little tap right here. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Alright, let's see what we got next.
Cilantro! Okay, baby, now I'm just gonna chop
Chop it. Make sure you don't chop your fingers off, because if you do, you're gonna have to go to the hospital, and you're not even gonna be able to eat your tacos, and it's gonna be just a bad experience, okay? So don't cut your fingers off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use a ton of it, okay? And just put it in a little bowl like that. There we go. Alright, then we're gonna go get another juice of lime. Squeeze it however you want. And then we're just gonna dump it in, baby. Dump it in. Oh, yeah. Now we got some quarter cup of mayonnaise. Blip, blip. Scoop it out. Put it in the thing. And then now we're gonna add some honey. The sweet honey, baby. I love me some honey. It makes everything so sweet and just adds that little bit of sweetness to the dish. You gotta have that, okay? Alright, now we're just gonna take our spoon, move it around like this.
Alright, now we're gonna get our purple cabbage.
We're just gonna make little slices in it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hurry up, man, hurry up. Ooh, look at that delicious cabbage, baby. Oh, it's gonna be so good in there.
Now we're gonna take that small cabbage and we're gonna make it even smaller, my baby. Come on, let's put it in. Let's just shove it in the hole. Shiny, look. Just shove it, shoving it in the hole. Put it in the hole. And then we're gonna take, this is my most fun part, and okay, now we're gonna take more, and we're just gonna put it in the hole like this. I like to break it up first, so it gets real nice and small. It makes a gigantic mess like that. I like it messy. You know you've made progress in the kitchen when your kitchen is completely filthy at the end. I like to leave it really messy, okay? Oh, that turned out pretty good. Now we're going to take our previous mixture and we're just going to put it right on top of that cabbage like that. Now that our corn is done, we're going to take it out. 1, 2. And we're just going to let that cool off a bit, okay? Because if you try and cut it now, you're going to burn your hand in half. And you're going to have to go to the hospital. Okay, let's turn that off so we don't burn the house down. And then now we're gonna keep it hot, but we're gonna bring it to the jalapeno. This jalapeno was giant, so I ended up cutting it in half, okay? I'm only using half of this, but you might want to use it forward. Okay, now we're gonna go to our corn. We're gonna take it, chop it up. Okay, now we're fast as heck.
Cut it as fast as you can. Cut it all the way. 1.
And then there we go, corn that is off the cob, and we're going to put that right on top. And then we're going to take our jalapenos and put it right in there. And then now we're going to grab ourselves some fresh pineapple. This is going to be the magic in the dish, okay? You want to take a little bit, cut some off. You can use a little bit or you can use a lot. I'm just going to use a little bit because I feel like when it just hits you out of nowhere, it's more amazing than if it really is the main part of your slaw, okay? Okay, now we're going to take it and we're just going to drop it into here. Again, I like it nice and messy, okay? You can also do it with putting big chunks in there, but that's just not as fun, okay? Whoa. And then we're going to take it and we're going to put it into our mixture. And then now is my favorite part. Oh my god, are you ready for this? Here we go. Oh, come on, baby, stir it up. Oh, that's how I like it. Oh, I love it like that. You stir it, baby, stir, baby. Oh, okay, there we go. Get it all nice and mixed up. Oh yeah, there we go. Keep it coming. Oh, I forgot the salt. You should want to add some salt in there. I just forgot, okay? You can do this in the previous one, but I'm going to do it right here, okay? And then now we're going to get ready to cook our delicious fish, baby. Come on, let's bring it. We got some mahi mahi in the house, honey. Okay, first we're going to take our heat and we're going to put it to medium high, baby. Okay, now we're going to take a little olive oil or vegetable oil, whichever you prefer, doesn't really matter. And then we're going to take our delicious fish that we've marinated that's been sitting there in those delicious juices and just place it in there. And then now we're going to take the juices and we're just going to dump a little bit, save a little bit for later after we flip it. You want to save some. Then I'm going to turn it a little bit lower because I just don't want it to get overcooked. And we're just going to let this sit in there for about 4 minutes. Oh, it's already starting to smell so good. You guys should smell my kitchen. It smells unbelievable. And I'm sure you guys' kitchen smells great too. Let me know in the comments. Oh, let's add some more juice now. Look at that. Oh, it's so amazing. Okay, now we're going to cook it for about 4 more minutes, okay? Each side. 4 minutes each side. Now we're going to place them on the wood board. Going to sit them there so we can give them a little chop chop. And they're going to fit on our mahi mahi taco beautifully. Okay, they're all out. And you can go ahead and dump some juice on there. Oh my god, look at this. It's going to be so good, huh? My kitchen smells so amazing right now. Also, just make sure you turn your oven off. You don't want to burn your house down. Now we have some tortillas. You can use corn, you can use flour, whatever you want. You can put them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna toast them for about 2 minutes, okay? And then when that's done, we're gonna take them out. Okay, now we're gonna fold them over and just let them dry like that so they stay in a good shape. Then we're gonna go ahead and do our fish. And we're just gonna go ahead and just dice it up a little bit because you don't want to put full chunks of mahi on a taco sandwich. Taco sandwich? What the hell am I saying? On a taco. And we're gonna add a little sour cream. And then on goes the fish. You can add as much or as little as you want. And then we have our delicious slaw. Look at that, baby. Oh my god, all of our hard work is about to come to fruition. We're gonna eat it all. Oh, I'm so happy. And there we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 tacos. And then we're gonna add some of this delicious juice, okay? And then there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have some beautiful pineapple, cilantro, lime, and jalapeno mahi mahi tacos. And if you're one of the ones that decided to cook along with me today, I hope that your dish turned out absolutely amazing. I'm sure it did because you're all so very beautiful. Okay, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you guys all next time on... what is it? Deep in the Kitchen! With me, Mihini McJohnson. I'm signing off, peace.